Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to set up 24/7 music bot on Discord. So it's very simple and let's begin. So firstly go to your page. So this is the page that you want to go. That is, you need to go to add Lo-Fi Radio Discord bot right over here. So this is the bot which we will use on Discord to make 24/7 music available. So log in, and after logging your Discord in, go and authorize it. Make sure that your Discord account is being authorized. After this, all you have to do is your bot will be available on your Discord. And yeah, this is how you will go to your voice channel later in your Discord and your bot will be ready to handle. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.